What? Can you talk to me? You can talk to me? Say hi to Mama. Crazy, crazy. Hey, you can say hi to Mama? Oh, crazy, crazy. You're funny. You gonna say hi? Oh. Do you have a story for us? You want to tell a story? A Christmas story, maybe. Just a crazy story, maybe. Huh? Anything? A quiet moment? What? You have something to say? Oh, well, what are you doing? Crazy girl. You crazy. You crazy girl. How pretty you are. Say, I know it. You good girl. You want to tell a story? We'll listen. The show is over. Say bye-bye. Okay, all right.